Welcome to Happy English. Let's get better at listening and speaking. It will be fun and a little challenging. Let's start. Lotus root soup is a nourishing and hearty dish often found in Wuhan's households, especially during colder months. The soup is made by slow-cooking pork ribs or bones with sliced lotus root, resulting in a broth that's rich in flavor and full of the natural sweetness and crisp texture of the lotus root. This dish is not only delicious but also believed to have various health benefits. In addition to lotus root soup, Wuhan's culinary scene is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, offering a wide array of dishes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. From the spicy and fragrant duck neck to the comforting warmth of steamed wuchang fish, each dish tells a story of Wuhan's rich cultural heritage and its love for bold, hearty flavors. So, when you explore Wuhan's bustling streets and lively markets, you're not just tasting food, you're experiencing the heart and soul of this dynamic city, making every bite a journey worth savoring on your Happy English channel.